I'm not just going to throw the peanut on the ground. You guys have to learn to catch the peanut. Catch the peanut. Show 'em. Come on. Relax. There you go. Coming to play. Yeah. Okay. Okay. That's not bad. Okay, here we go. Yeah. You gonna catch one? There's a ball player. Look at you, man. Whoa, you want let me in, coach. Okay, hang on. Hang on, boy, hang on. There you go. There's a ball player. There's the other ball player. There's the other here. Look at him. What's in that game? Let me in that game. Yeah. Basket catch. Yes. You see how it's done? You. You want to be a squirrel ball player? You saw it right there. Oh, hang on. See that? Once you learn, you won in the game, man. You figure it out. Okay. Hang on. Ready? Come on. You ready for the peanut? Hey, you got it. You got it. You're the man. Check you out. Yeah, see? All right, ready? Come on. Yeah. You learn. You can learn. Congratulations. Okay, now relax. See, this guy, he wants to play. This is the part. Ready? Okay. Oh, man. That's my fault. Bounce it off your nose. Hey. Oh, that's my fault. Can you give it a try? Look up. Watch the ball. Okay, see you. Ready? Oh. Big, easy to catch. Wait, pay attention. Ready? No, hold steady. You gotta focus. Yeah. Okay, next. There you go. Ready? Look up. Look up. No. All right. Here you go. Ready? Yeah. No, you're getting the hang of it there. At least you're looking up. Come on. Show them how it's done. Okay, look up. Coming to play. Yeah. Down away, it says. See how it's done, huh, dude? You see that? Just come over. Your head up. Keep your eye on the peanut. Keep your glove up. That's pretty much it. Okay. Not as easy as it looks, is it? Ready? Hands up, hands up. That's it, look up at the peanut. There you go. Come on. Now here comes the expert. Okay, we're going to show them how it's done this time. Ready? Too fast. Look at the peanut. Look. Look. See? Yeah. Huh? Easy, big fella. Yeah. That was brilliant. Alright, here we go. You can do it. Watch it. Ready? Oh yeah. That was brilliant. Focus on the peanut. You got to be the peanut. You guys have like no discipline whatsoever. The problem with you guys is you lack focus. Ready? Yeah. Okay, that's one way to do it. Yeah. Whoa. So you see catching a peanut. Here, catch. Ready? You have to like look at the peanut. Okay. Yeah, the Blue Jay knows how to play ball. Another Blue Jay. You know what to do with a peanut.